Poppo Live gives women $1 to breathe. Right from the beginning, when they just create an account, they are able to go live. And when they stream for 1 hour, they walk away with $1. They're given a bonus of earning that $1 on a daily basis. Anytime the time resets, they go live, they earn $1. This extends to 7 days. On top of that, whenever they happen to attend the party and they stay there for 1 hour, they earn 600 points. That's on Poppo Live. Now, Taka Live does the exact same thing, but for a man, it's a different story. A man can't go live right from the beginning. They don't earn $1. They have to push real hard for them to reach a point where they could begin to go live. Like on Poppo Live, they have to reach level 10 for them to begin to go live. Even when they begin to go live, they can't earn $1. The question is, are these live streaming apps a scam to men? I'm going to be answering that question, and I'm going to be breaking down the 3 major ways through which men can earn on these platforms. Hi, this is Elijah, and I've been an agent on different platforms: Taka Live, Mio Live, Migo Live, Poppo Live, Nikki Live, mention them. I've been an agent and I know how live streaming apps work. And I know how men can actually leverage the God-given gift of leading empires for them to begin to earn massively on these apps. I urge you to stick around and watch the video to the end, because I'm going to be unpacking everything that you need to learn, especially where earning is concerned. Let's take a ride. Welcome back, and thank you so much for staying put. Let me now answer the first question. These apps are not a scam to men. It's just a matter of you studying the systems and getting to know how you can actually leverage your abilities to earn. So then, what is the first method through which you can earn from these live streaming apps as a man? So number 1, you build an empire. You can do this by, first of all, creating a Facebook account. You create a TikTok account. You can actually create a LinkedIn account or a YouTube account, and then begin to promote these apps. What you do is become an agent and then create those accounts. Begin to talk about them. Each time you happen to post a video, make sure you place a link somewhere so that women who are live streamers can actually join your agency. And when you build your empire, you will begin to earn passively. When they're streaming live, you'll be getting commissions. That's the number 1 way of doing that. I learned of this much earlier, right from the beginning of my journey on learning how to earn passively. Then the second way through which you can earn on these platforms is by actually getting gifts from those who are watching you perform. You might be asking yourself a question. So what are some of the things that you could be doing for people to be sending you gifts? Number 1, playing a guitar or playing any instrument that you know how to play pretty well. Number 2, singing. Then there are other things that you could do, right? The very things that you'll be doing, people will be buying coins and they'll be sending you gifts as you perform. And those gifts, when they send them, they'll actually convert into points. Those points are the ones that convert into real cash. And when you hit the threshold, you will actually be able to withdraw that. Then number 3, you earn from the platform's free-to-play system. For example, on Poppo Live, you can actually join a live streamer who's streaming live. And when you're there, you are able to collect coins and you're able to earn points. By so doing, you find that by the end of the day, you have something. If it's coins nowadays, you can actually earn 1,500 coins on Poppo Live, right? So when you accumulate as many coins as you can exchange them so that you happen to have points by the end of the day. Those are the 3 major ways in which I earn on these platforms. In most cases, I leverage creating guilds, right? And I end up earning passively. I'm just sleeping, women are actually streaming, and I'm earning in return. So if you're a man, I urge you to click the link in the description section. I'm gonna leave 3 links. One link is for Mimon, the other one is for Hala, and the third one is for Poppo Live. Choose which platform you will start with, and as soon as you create an account, you become an agent, let me know so that I can actually groom you and help you to earn your first $200. I'll see you in the next video.